Hold on, I only got one hand on it. I need someone hold it.
Okay.
Elise, you're on.
Go out towards the center. Dad will tell you where.
Right towards the
Mom,
side.
are you getting a movie of this? Okay, good.
Oh, peppered the boat.
Okay, ho, stay in there.
Incoming.
Stay in the zone.
They're not hungry.
Garland, you don't even have a thing tied on.
He says it's suicide mission.
Here
Kamikaze.
Okay, because it is.
Here we go.
Okay, just a little
Once
burst.
it gets wet, you're out of control.
We don't know.
It's
No
all-
one's been there. Apparently.
Slow. You want to go slow?
I'm not ready to turn ours in yet.
I'm not
Wait, so
ready
the
to
cat-
go.
Stop, Elise.
Oh my God.
Honey, remember, it's behind you, so stop.
Let it just go. Oh my
Is that
God.
it?
No.
No, just stop.
We're
Don't
gonna-
rock the boat.
Oh God.
Let's stop.
Garland's is a suicide mission.
Now turn around, turn
He's
it around.
extreme, man.
Turn around, go on back in.
Going back in the middle of it.
Get straight on out. Going out, way on out. Out, Elise, out.
I'm going out.
It's hard to
It's
control.
bumpy.
Hey,
Oh, I believe it. All right.
ho, ho. Right there.
Back it up.
No, you're right in the midst of it.
Maybe we should pop it apart and make sure there's no water in it.
Well,
All right,
it is
Stevie,
a
give me a
boat,
little
it should-
shot.
I know.
Hold on. Give me a little shot. Let's see it.
Be prepared to go forward.
Like, you're gonna have
Don't
to hit
steer.
it.
You're not going to steer. Okay, you do not steer. You're going to go forward.
Oh, yeah,
Do
there's
not
water
steer.
there. Don't you turn it off. Let's see if it-
You're going to need all the power you can for that, because steering takes the power away from it.
This is simple. This is a simple fix. And look, it's simple and straight.
No, you're going to get in the string, honey. It's behind you. Don't do that.
You're not gonna do that.
Yes, it will. It's dangling behind you. It'll get in the
All right,
rut.
well, now I've turned around, so it's good.
It's all good. I have gum too, Paul.
There you
All
go.
right, there you go.
There we
Now
go.
leave it.
Leave it.
Leave it. Right here.
What?
Well,
Gotta watch it though. As soon as it starts going backwards, you gotta hit it forward.
Seriously? Oh, man.
Don't rock the boat.
Oh, when
we're all right. We're all right. But we do need to drain the water.
Yeah, okay. Do that right now.
Remember, Mom,
Look
you
at
have
that,
to
how much
videotape
water.
Elise
We did
reeling
take
it
on
in.
water.
We took on lots of water,
We took
people.
on water, but we're good.
Really? Took on a lot of water? Well, you were upside down.
Yep, it rolled.
Woo, woo, woo. It was like Heinrich with the chicken.
We're good. We're back in business.
Leave it still. Let
Don't
me run
steer
it.
it.
Whoa.
Oh, gosh. Have you gotten something?
Oh, hold on.
It
Yeah,
did go
yeah,
backwards
I know.
very quickly,
It
didn't
did.
it, Sid?
It did.
I think we're going to need a bigger boat.
Yeah, I was going to say that. All right, Sydney, go. Oh, shoot. I
Don't
forgot,
come over
Are you
here.
kidding me?
forgot to turn it
I
on.
forgot to turn it on.
But luckily,
Oh, look, I have something biting.
no, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Ready, go. Go, go, go. Now hit it.
There's something on.
I
Okay,
hit it.
just go.
There's
Yeah, he's got a short little line. Yours is longer. No, is it longer?
Yeah,
Not
I
much.
cut them the same. Sydney, go out.
fine.
You put your
All right, that's
waist
good.
back
About
this
right there.
down. You know what's that? His is kind of straight up. Same. Your back kind of drags.
There you go. That's good.
Did you go backwards? Oh.
Here we go. Good move, Sydney, but nope, you didn't get it. Stop.
Oh, look.
Circle back around.
No, one's coming after it, Paul.
Ooh.
He got burst. This really makes a boring
Come around
YouTube
this way,
video.
Sydney. No.
Yeah.
Honey, I
I'm going
can't.
in a circle.
All right. Go out.
Oh,
Come on, you're a professional.
Incoming.
Done it.
Out.
Got it.
Out. Outward through the food.
I know what's good.
Well, it's also with what I can control with the rod too. And I see now I'm tangled up. I gotta come back this way. way. That's
Stay
all right.
clear of them.
Let it-
Come over here where the heads are.
We're good. Yeah, we're good. We're good. All right, give it a little burst. Nah, we must be tangled up. Come back in. I'm coming back in. You can't be doing too many circles.
Woo!
Help
And
at
stop.
all. Some
Ready?
circles
Nervous
have to
behind
be
me.
Yeah, stop now.
Oh, shit.
Do you have a dog on the porch?
made. Did you?
Oh! Oh! You're done.
Oh my god.
Right. Sydney,
Back over.
stop.
Turn the prop, Dad. Turn the prop. It might flip it over.
Oh
we can
god.
hold it again.
Oh crap.
Snag it, Paul.
We can. We're in technical issues right
Where's the
now.
other pole?
Oh no, no!
I am pulling it. Titanic.
Hurry.
That's gone.
Fish has a boat hanging off of it.
Here.
Go, go, go.
No, not go. Let's hook the boat. I don't need him to lose
Oh, that poor fish has a boat hanging off. You're gonna catch a fish.
Yeah, somebody catch the boat.
It's gonna have that stupid boat.
At this side.
Where'd it go?
For the fish.
You gotta have a long lead. Paul, that pond's 17 feet deep.
Oh snap.
Oh,
Dad.
seriously?
A catfish is gonna have a boat stuck to it for the rest of its life.
Which won't be
Why
long.
didn't you tie? Now you're thinking, why?
Well, I thought it would each have more gas.
You weren't thinking they would flip over. How did the dogs get on the porch?
Let's shut the door.
You better go diving in there.
That's bad.
That's real bad.
That's death to that fish and to the boat.
I like how it took
Hope you got some
it
good
was slow
footage.
motion.
Did you get good?
Bella! Chris!
So why didn't this